According to China EV Post, Tesla has shortened the wait time for the Model 3 in China. Customers now face a delivery wait of 1 to 3 weeks, down from the previous 2 to 4 weeks. The Model Y's wait time remains unchanged at 1 to 3 weeks. Both models are produced at Tesla's Shanghai factory and are available in 3 variants. The starting price for the Model 3 is around $32,040, while the Model Y starts at $34,986. These prices have remained stable since April. Tesla's 5-year zero-interest loan offer in China has been extended until November 30th. Tesla sold 68,280 vehicles in China in October, with 27,795 of those exported. Local sales in China for October were 40,485 units, a 41% increase from the same time last year but a 44% drop from September. So far this year, Tesla has sold over 500,000 vehicles in China, marking an 8% year-on-year increase. Rumors about Tesla introducing full self-driving technology to China and partnering with SAIC Motor were denied by the company. You are listening to Yuan News.